जी हाँ, चमचमाती हुई वैकेंसी आ चुकी है आपके पास एनसीएल नॉर्दर्न कोलफील्ड्स लिमिटेड जो कि मिनी रत्न कंपनी की एक प्रॉपर सब्सिडरी है कोल इंडिया लिमिटेड की। एंड एनसीएल के तहत आप लोग इतनी सारी वैकेंसीज के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। सो आप लोग देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर स्टाफ नर्सिंग 9 पोस्ट, फार्मासिस्ट 3 पोस्ट फॉर अनरिजर्व्ड, 1 फॉर एससी, 1 फॉर ओबीसी, टोटल 5 पोस्ट। तो आप 30 जनवरी तक इसकी एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म फिल कर सकते हैं। एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया: इफ़ यू हैव डन योर डिप्लोमा इन फार्मेसी, if you are a candidate of India, if you have appropriate mark sheets of you have passed all the semesters, definitely you are eligible for this post. And in this post, you will be the selection criteria will be eligible applicant meeting the minimum eligibility criteria specified by the ACR in the preceding 3 years. There can be physical attendance of 15 years, 15 marks for 3 years, so 5 marks per year. So you need to have good attendance, that is very very important. So if you have a 90% physical attendance or greater, then 5 marks will be awarded for that. And there will be an annual confidential report for 15 marks for 3 years. For excellent or outstanding you will get 5 marks, and for very good category you will be getting 3 marks in the financial year. The other selection and eligibility criteria shall be provided by the CIL Coal of India Limited guidelines. Along with that, engagement letter. So you should have a medically fit certificate that you are fit for the application, and complete information of your personal details as well your qualification, educational details. So how to apply? You need to simply the interested candidates shall be filling the prescribed form by entering the relevant details and submit by hand to the staff officer HR of the concerned unit or hospital. And the important dates: so the start of submission is on the 1st of January until the 30th of January it will be going on. So for you can contact from 10 to 5 Monday to Friday, excluding 1 to 2 p.m. lunch hours, and Saturday 10 to 1. Office will be closed on Sunday, so definitely you can contact via this email ID or via this phone number. This is a landline number. So what you're talking about handling the application form to the HR. Who is that? What is the application form? So here the mini Ratna head office is at Panjare Bawam, Singrauli, Madhya Pradesh. So this is the application form whereby your applicant details will be given, the certificate area unit. So this is a very very big opportunity. CIL Coal of India Limited and National Coalfields Limited. This is a great subsidiary field for opportunity for all of the pharmacists. The salary and everything will be notified soon, so do not worry and stay connected to the channel. The next vacancy that comes up is the Karyalay Jilla Swasthya Samiti Jamtada. So this is a Vigyan Patra, and over here you can see there's RCH, staff nurse, auxiliary nursing midwifery, general nursing midwifery, ophthalmic. Then there's NICU nurses, National Program for Prevention of Control of Disease, at cardiovascular disease, diabetes, cancer. Then there's NMHP, National Mental Health Program. So under the National Health Mission (NHM), and this is under the NRHM. So under NHM there are two categories: NRHM and NUHM. So this falls under the category of NRHM. And over here you can see National Vector-Borne Disease Control Program. So there are lots of posts that are out now. So as pharmacists, you can apply for many of these posts: National Tuberculosis Eradication Program, National Program for Control of Disease, Diabetes, Cardiovascular Disease, Stroke, right? So many different opportunities are there for you. So here you can see there's Rashtriya Bal Swarakshas Karyakram RBSKs. So pharmacists with 10 plus 2 category can also apply. So you need 11,550 will be the post, will be the salary, and there are total 6 posts, 3 to 1 category for the general, OBC, and SC. Yeah, general, EWS, and SC. So definitely quickly go and check out this notification, because all your doubts will be cleared in this notification so the earliest possible. And these are the NRHM programs, so you will have a great amazing journey out here. Also under the pharmacist there's another post, and this is from the Karnataka, Kerala. Over here the post is for, there is RMNHCP also, revised National Tuberculosis Control Programs, revised mental health control program, a lot of different programs. So here DMLT, BSCMLT, a lot of people, but here pharmacist, B Farm Plus or D Farm, any of them, two posts are there. 15,555 is the rupees. Since this is in the different language, so it's difficult for me. But this vacancy comes from the Udupi district of Health and Family Welfare. So those who are interested and belong to this post, definitely go and grab this opportunity. The application form is attached at the end of this only. So quickly go and take advantage of these posts. So these are the triple dhamaka, the posts for the Northern Coalfields NCL under the Coal India Limited, and then there's NRHM, then there's RBST, Rashtriya Bal Swasthya Karakram. Thank you so much everybody for your kind listening. Stay connected with our channel for more such upcoming videos.